Hi guys! Welcome to my channel, Your Home Properties Within Your Reach. Again, this is Kay Nadera, your Bulacan Realtor. So, I am back here at Princess Heights to give you a house tour syempre sa ating model unit. And first, syempre, ang ating Couture unit or expanded Couture unit na duplex. So, this is a complete finish house and lot na may 3 bedrooms, syempre, and toilet and bath. 2 toilet and bath. So guys, come and join me na mag-house tour ito sa napaka-tahimik pero hindi ganun kalayo sa establishments like hospitals, malls, and schools. Pero itong project natin sa mismong subdivision, kung gusto mo ng peaceful after your toxic or stressful work life, syempre, at uuwi ka sa isang napakatahimik na neighborhood. So, come and join me, guys! So guys, this is what it looks like kapag na-dressed up na siya. Pero pag tinurn over to, complete finish na to. So you have your tiles, your 40 by 40 na tiles, you have your painted walls. Actually, it's yung design ng kanyang turnover wall is yung rough, no? So rough yung kanyang finish dun sa wall niya, pero may paints. So, this is your living area na facing sa iyong carport, and syempre, you have your huge sliding aluminum window dito, no? At ang isa pang maganda nun, guys, is sa baba ng stairs dito, look at it. Meron kang space talaga for your, syempre, iyong storage area. So, pero ito guys, ikaw na magpapalagay nito. Pero yan, perfect yan for storage area. And this will be your dining area na meron kang wall dito. It's up to you kung gusto mo dito, kung ano pwede mo lagay, family frame, picture frame. Then dito yung stairs mo going sa second floor. And this will be your working area sa kitchen. So, meron ka ng sink, may countertop ka na. Sa turnover, kasama na ang cabinet mo and overhead cabinet na may glass cover. So, or glass door. Then, after, ito yung iyong toilet and bath na maganda siya, guys, kasi complete finish na siya and yung kanyang tiles ay hanggang ceiling na. Okay? So, ang ganda na. Wala ka na ngayon, lilipat ka na lang talaga dito sa Princess Heights. And napakaganda ng neighborhood mo. Sobrang tahimik. And what I like about Couture model is napaka-spacious ng kanyang service area. And you have your privacy already. Since napakataas ng iyong wall. No? So, this is your service area, very spacious. You have your faucet already here, your drainage system dyan. So, this is our first floor. So, let's go to the second floor. Okay, so ang ating stairs is L-shaped and made of concrete yan lahat, guys. Concrete with all the tiles na. And syempre, we have our bar handle na made of tubular steel. So, let's go upstairs. Guys, so we have our 3 bedrooms here. So, dun muna tayo sa ating first bedroom. Dito sa kids' bedroom na facing din sa ating carport. So, you have your small sliding window here and glass window para, syempre, mas maganda yung pasok ng lights natin. So, syempre, ang ating napakagandang design, no, na window. So, this is for your kids na, so, ang ginawa nilang design dito is bunk bed. So, it's up to you how you will decorate, no? And kung saan nyo ilalagay yung inyong cabinet. So, this is the first bedroom. Syempre, ang ating partition is hardiplex. So, let's go to our second bedroom. So, guys, this is our second bedroom. Pero dito sa second bedroom natin, ginawa siya na parang office. Pero pwede pa siya as second bed. Then, dito, yung space mo dito, pwede kang magkaroon ng pull-out cabinet here. So, ano ka na, design ng pwedeng space dyan or cabinet para may pull-out cabinet kang ganyan. Diba? Ang ganda. Naisip mo, na-imagine mo ba siya? So, yan. This is a bed. And, syempre, complete finish na rin yan. May tiles ka na dyan. And you have your window again. Sliding window na facing sa iyong front yard. No? Ayan guys, so are you excited na makita ang ating master's bedroom? Ako excited na, so let's go. So guys, this is our master's bedroom. So ito yung window mo, you have your sliding window here, na ito yung nakano sa iyong, service area, no? So silip mo yung service area mo. So, ito yung iyong double bed, and meron ka ng abang for your window type aircon. So, very spacious pa siya guys kasi, maluwag pa dito. So, dito yung cabinet mo, or it's up to you kung gusto mo working area. So, pwedeng dito rin naman ang cabinet. Bahala ka na dyan. And, what's nice is yung iyong second toilet and bath, or yung sinasabi nga natin na yung master's toilet and bath, ito, nandito siya. And again guys, complete finish din siya. Complete finish, hanggang ceiling na yung tiles mo, you have your window here. So, diba? Ang ganda. So, this is Kuzur, our duplex model here at Princess Heights. So, if you're interested, syempre guys, let's talk about the price. So, guys, nagustuhan nyo ba ang ating Kuzur model duplex types, complete finish with 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, carport, and syempre nasa quiet and peaceful neighborhood na hindi naman nalalayo sa civilization. Syempre guys. So this is Kuzur, and if you're interested, syempre, don't hesitate to message me on the number that you see on the screen. And for our total contract price guys, ito siya. Also guys, this is pre-selling, so ang ating down payment or yung sinasabing equity ay payable for 24 months. And syempre, pag 24 months, itatayo lang ang ating bahay kapag tapos na ang down payment. So ang ating estimated turnover, syempre, ay pasok sa 2 to 3 years. So this is pre-selling, kaya hindi pa mabigat ang down payment guys. So this is our equity. Yan guys. And syempre, ang ating reservation for our Kuzur model. Ayan, guys. So, if you're interested, message me, guys. Message me because we need to schedule our tripping. Kasi minsan, di namin kayo ma-assist kapag medyo may iba kaming schedule, no? So, message me on the number that you see on the screen, on WhatsApp and Viber. So, let's schedule our tripping, and I hope to see you soon and hear from you soon. And thank you for liking and subscribing to my channel. This is again, Kay Nadera, your Bulacan Realtor. Bye!